Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, please make sure you hit the subscribe button so you don't miss any uploads from me. So in this video we're going to be rocking this beautiful hairstyle. Okay, so without further ado, we're just gonna get right into the video, guys. I'm starting out on hair that's freshly washed, moisturized, and all that good stuff, and it's actually stretched as well. Okay, so this is how I slept with my hair. I think I did this like 2 days prior or something, the stretching. So I just had it in twist, that way I keep it stretched, you know. So I'm just taking my twist down. Okay, usually I'll have everything in like ponytail holders like that to keep it stretched, but I took them out the day that I was recording in the front, and I had something else to do, so I just twisted it up real quick like that, and I'm twisting it again. Okay, but usually everything is in a ponytail holder. Okay, anyway, so we're gonna take this rat tail comb and I'm gonna separate my hair. So I'm just sectioning on the side because that's where I want the side to be, and you just want to make sure that you have a nice, you know, clean line over here. I'm not using a lot of products, as you guys know. When I'm doing hairstyles, all this type of style, I always prefer not to use a lot of products because I'm not trying to, you know, weigh my hair down with a bunch of products, you know, because I'm not even trying to slick my hair like that. So I'm gonna be using this Cream of Nature age control, and this age control, don't be holding no edges, okay? But I purposely used it because I was just trying to like lay my hair a little bit and give it like a clean look, brush it, but I'm not trying to have like a slick, you know, a slick down hair. So that's all. So I'm just gonna give it a little shine, but we don't want, you know, like a slick down type of do. Okay, so I'm gonna gather the rest of the hair and put it in a ponytail holder at the back. Okay, and then what I'm gonna do here, I'm just gonna section off the hair like so, and then I'm just twisting it. I'm only twisting the end of the hair, so like about maybe 3 inches, I think, around there. I'm not doing like 2 to 3 inches, but I'm not like twisting the whole thing. If you want, you can use you can just do a puff, twist your hair however you want to do the back, guys. You can use a hair donut to, you know, have a puff at the back. It's however you want to do it. I was actually gonna use a donut, but I feel like my hair is probably gonna be short to do that. Okay, and after I'm done doing that, I'm just going to use bobby pins to tuck in the hair, you know, like I'm doing. And we're going to have this little, you know, thing going on at the back, okay? Like a flower type of shape. So I'm tucking everything in. Okay, now we're done with the back. I'm just gonna brush the hair a little bit more, you know, and then we're gonna break in the front. Okay. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and split the hair in two, and I don't really need a straight line over here because you're really not gonna see it anyways. So we're just gonna split the hair. Okay. And I'll put some of that hair away, and then I'm gonna start twisting it. All right, so I'm just gonna twist the hair like so. Okay, just like you do like a flat twist, that's what I'm doing. So I'm just picking up hair, twisting and picking up hair as I go. And I'll twist that all the way up until the end, and then I'll tuck it in as well, twist it up, tuck it in, and secure that with the bobby pin. Then I'm gonna do the other hair and just twisting it like I did with the other one, twisting and picking up hair as I'm going. And over here I added more edge control, you know, just so you know my hair is laying a little bit more. Okay, but it's not to have like a sleek laid down edges. No, that's not what we're trying to do here. Okay. Okay, and then I'm gonna do the same and tag it in with the other one. Okay, and over here I think after I was done, I just try to work with it, you know, just to make sure that it's laying nicely and all that good stuff. And I'm gonna brush it up, you know, and you know, that's it. That's all I did, and I love this hairstyle, guys. And that's it. That's the hairstyle. So easy. It can be done within 10 minutes and you're out. And you can also wear this for like you know, an elegant function if you want to. And over here I was just trying to make sure that my back, you know, is nice and sleek as well, because I tend to always forget about it. But yeah, that's the hairstyle, guys. Okay, so this is it for this look, guys. Please don't forget to comment below, like this video, subscribe to my channel if you haven't. I don't know what you're waiting for. Okay, we are almost at 30K, so please get me there. Yeah, and this is it for this video, like I said. And if this video was helpful in any way, shape, or form, make sure you do what you gotta do, which is liking. Okay, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.